What exactly is an IPO? Let's get some basics first. Now, it's a privately owned firm listed shares on the stock market, making shares available for purchase by the general public. Why do they have them? Because companies can then raise additional capital by selling those shares to the public. If you and I have that share, we can have that part ownership of the profit making, of how entirely the company is doing, etc., and how the share market actually behaves on that stock. Now, this is done often because they want to expand business, fund R&D or pay off debt. Other avenues for raising capital may be too expensive. Other avenues like venture capitalism, private investors, etc. This is also maybe a huge opportunity to provide good amount of publicity for the company as well, and may help the company secure better terms for lenders. But talking about IPOs, like I said, it's been a year where IPO frenzy has taken place. Let's look at some of the big other IPOs that are to be listed this year. LIC, Bajaj Energy, Go Air, Paytm, another big one, MobiWik as well, Adani Wilmar, Muthoot Microfinance, VLCC Healthcare, Med Plus Health Services, and Aadhar Housing Finance. All of them the big listings for this year. How big is it in terms of market share? We'll tell you. So wait till the end of that explainer. But let's now quickly jump into Nykaa and tell you the key bits and everything you need to know about Nykaa. So it was founded in 2012 by Falguni Nayar, former investment banker. Now, leading multi-brand beauty personal care platform, we all know that by now. The promoters in this case are Falguni Nayar, Sanjay Nayar, the Falguni Nayar Family Trust, and the Sanjay Nayar Family Trust as well. Now, promoters at the moment own more than 50% share in the company. And Nykaa is ramping up a presence in the Indian fashion scene. Their Nykaa Fashion, another app that they've launched, is what they want to look at moving forward. Their net profits, we culled that out for you. Well, in financial year 21, their net profits went to 61.9 crore. It's 86.7% of online gross merchandise as well through the mobile apps. All of that figure as of March 2021. But Nykaa jumping on the IPO bandwagon, what exactly are they thinking? And what are the key dates to remember here? Well, they open up for subscription on the 28th of October. The IPO closes on the 1st of November. The price band of the initial share sale is going to be roughly around 1,085 to 1,125 over there. And Nykaa, their aim is to get a total valuation of over $7 billion. That is the number that they're looking at. Investors shall be able to make bids of minimum of 12 equity shares over here, in multiples of 12 equity shares thereafter as well. And offer actually includes a reservation of up to 250,000 equity shares for purchase by eligible employees as well. So they end up gaining huge over there. Meanwhile, their game plan is essentially that the company plans to use this IPO proceeds for expansion. They want to open up more retail stores and warehouses. You must have seen some Nykaa stores come up in malls these days. They want to expand that presence from online to actually on-ground presence as well. The company also plans to retire some of their debts here, and the aim is to store up profitability, bring down interest costs as well. But, so that's all about Nykaa. I told you the big IPO frenzy and how big it is really in the country right now. Well, cumulative, and listen to this figure very, very carefully, cumulative quantum of fundraising through IPOs this year alone is expected to cross 70,000 crore. And this is going to be landmark. This is the first time ever. First 9 months of 2021 has seen 41 IPOs hit the market, and the previous high, last time around we actually saw so many IPOs come in, was 2017. That was around 67,000 crore raised through about 36 issues over there. Then we know what happened in 2018, and rest is history, as they say. 2021 with a huge jump from previous years as well. 15 IPOs already there, 26,613 crores raised. And after the Nykaa IPO, there is Fino Payment Bank and the Sikachi Industries as well that are in the lineup. So very exciting space. Lots of people are looking at it, and a lot of retail investors are looking at it with a very, very keen eye. So we thought Let's help you get more information on that.